G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've brought along today is the Wurth Heat Protection Glove. Now these gloves will handle up to 350 degrees for a short period of time. They also have a very high cut rating of level E. Now they have a cotton interior which makes them breathe and they're very comfortable, and a polyester outside with no seams, so for the heat to get in. So we're here in the pits, and of course during the race the team is going to replace brakes and brake rotors, all right, which get extremely hot. So a glove like this is perfect because it's up to 350 degrees. Have a look at the wrist protection, so I'm not going to get burnt by the disc at the top. The gloves are extremely comfortable, and of course they can be worn on either hand. One glove does both hands. So if you're working in any industry which has sharp products like glass and sheet metal, things like that, the cut protection is fantastic. But of course if you're working with heat, so welding or foundry work or things like that where there's a lot of heat, the glove is also fantastic for that as well. So if you have any questions on the Wurth Heat Protection Glove, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And these heat protection gloves, they're ready for work.